TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory to kick things off. Tomorrow, of course, Election Day. If you haven't voted yet, folks, get out there and vote. Still time to turn in your early ballot if you got one at one of the sites available, or just get out there and vote tomorrow. Market right now up 36 points. Trading at 3,300 on the dot coming into Election Day. We get the NASDAQ up 84 points. NASDAQ a little bit weaker. You see NASDAQ not quite up to where we were even at the beginning of Friday action, whereas the S&P right now above that price level at 32.99. You get the Dow up a solid 1.34% to 26,749. We got crude rebounding from the acceleration it had overnight to 33.64. Things getting a little dicey for crude overnight, bouncing back to 35.38. We got gold contract up a bit, up $10 to $18.89. Silver up 35 cents to $24 on the dot. And notes and bonds right now, some higher price and lower yield. We're looking at a yield right now of about 0.84%. The 10-year, you're up 6 ticks, trading at 138.13. The 30-year up 12 ticks at 172.27. And we'll jump over to the VIX. Coming into Election Day, the VIX very comfortable at about 37.55 right now. We'll see what happens. I mean, you get the market well up more than 1% basically in the S&P. Although you look at where we were at a high of 33.22. We've given up now. You're talking about, what is that, 25 S&P points. We are off the highs that we made just prior to 6 a.m. Eastern time this morning. All right, what else you got going on? England, potential lockdowns, and they may loom beyond December. Stark numbers out there, and this hit the market. I mean, it hit the market last week, that's for sure, with the volatility coming into the election and lockdowns. I mean, the UK numbers, they're pretty stark, pretty drastic over there. In the U.S., pretty drastic as well. Just in the last 3 minutes, a friend of mine in one of our group chats, so Boston, Massachusetts, you're seeing, this isn't just rhetoric. It's going to start hitting economies, businesses. The market is interpreting this. You got 15 Massachusetts communities reverting back to step 1 of phase 3 of the reopening plan because of the average daily cases. That's a list of the 15 counties in there. Canton, Hanover, Hanson, Hingham, Marshfield, Milford, Pembroke, to name a few. So stark numbers out there. And no matter what, though, this election, folks, we're going to find out tomorrow. We got two full trading days, basically, until election night, right? Today, tomorrow. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pezzamento, he's coming up live for the Market Open with Trade What You See. We'll be right back, folks.